Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a beautiful necklace using the newest Softlex company design kit, Double Rainbow? And I will leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available or next month's kit, as well as a tutorial playlist for all the tutorials featuring this Double Rainbow design kit. So I made this very sparkly rainbow bracelet. You just saw how many crystals you got in the kit from the unboxing, and I knew I wanted to make something super sparkly with it. So comment down below if you would like a tutorial on this design. I'll show you a little technique that I came up with just to help string them onto the Softlex wire. We are using the purple amethyst that came in the kit, two 2x2s, your clasp. You'll just need a jump ring, and then we're using this adorable little rainbow charm. So I went ahead and added on all my beads, and then I added a few beads from the Jesse James bead mix, and I already pre-strung it onto the Softlex wire just to save time. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Let's start creating. I have all the beads added onto the Softlex wire. And I have these really pretty rainbow acrylic beads, and then I have a double spacer. So that's where I'm going to add my little chain. We will add that on in just a moment. And I like to keep my Softlex wire on the spool when I'm stringing, just because it acts as a bead stopper, so your beads won't slide off the end. Use our Softlex wire and pick up one 2x2. We're going to pass our Softlex wire back through our 2x2. And this is going to create a little loop. And it's up to you how big you would like your loop to be. Now, you could attach your clasp directly to your loop if you wanted to. I like to attach it to jump rings. So we have our little loop. We're going to bring in our pliers and just give it a gentle squeeze. This is going to flatten our 2x2. And then I like to rotate and squish again. This is just going to round the 2x2 and give it a more professional finish. So we do have a lot of Softlex wire, and we're just going to slide all of our beads down. Now, if you have just that little bit of a tail, sometimes you can tuck it under that next bead, just like that. Then we're just going to slide all of the beads down. Now, before we finish the other side of the necklace, we're going to add on our charm. So we're just going to give it a little spacing between the two silver beads. We're going to pick up one 6mm jump ring, add on our rainbow charm, and we're going to attach it to our softness and give it a close. Gently twist back. You should hear a little click and you'll know it's secure. Now we're just going to slide all of the beads down, make sure everything is nice and secure. Comment down below what you thought of this fantastic kit. Now we're just going to cut a good working length of Softlex, enough to make our little loop at the other end. And I'll add in one more of my little blue bicones. So the little technique that I had with the clay beads is sometimes can be a little challenging and kind of time consuming to string them all onto Softlex wire. But when removing them from the string, you just kind of grab a little bunch between your fingers, and then you just slide them onto the next string that you need. Just slide them off, and they should go on. You might drop a few, but it adds a lot faster way of stringing them onto your Softlex wire. So we're gonna do the same thing on this other side. Let's add on our little blue bicone. And then we're just gonna pass it back through. And then we just want to compare if our loops are fairly the same size. We're going to take our pliers and do the exact same thing and rotate. And I'm just going to trim this one. Be sure to save your Softlex wire. You can always use it for another project. We're just going to bring in two more jump rings and a clasp of your choice. We're going to add on one jump ring. And then I'm going to add on my lobster claw. If you're using a two-part clasp, such as a toggle, Then you just want to make sure that you add one side to each of the jump rings. Then we're going to add on our other jump ring, and we have our beautiful rainbow necklace with the clay Hishi beads and then the beautiful rainbows. And if you wanted to, you could also turn this into a wrap bracelet. I love creating jewelry that can be worn multiple ways. And it's super lightweight, so it just kind of gives it that statement piece without being too heavy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as the tutorial playlist for the double rainbow design kit. Have an awesome day.